Hi, I'm Travis, and maybe you're like me. I followed all of society's rules, I did everything that I was supposed to, and I ended up getting a corporate job, which I later realized is basically prison. After realizing this, I sank into a deep depression because, like most people, I wanted to be free. And months went by where I knew I needed to quit my job, but I wasn't sure what to do. But finally one day I decided to cold turkey. When I finally quit my job, I was so excited. I wanted to start a business of my own as soon as possible. And I was so hard on myself for waiting so long to quit that I wanted to make it happen right away. So I ended up drinking a ton of caffeine, ended up staying up for a bunch of nights in a row, just trying to work, basically no sleep for a week straight. Not surprisingly, I had a complete mental breakdown. I ended up checking myself into the emergency room because things were so bad. I was having a complete panic attack, and I realized very quickly that this whole entrepreneurship thing is not as easy as everybody on YouTube makes it out to be. The next few months and even years were some of the most challenging times of my life. Even though I did a lot of traveling during this time, the actual making money, starting an online business was a huge struggle for me until a friend of mine recommended Googling e-commerce podcast. And then I realized that there was people that have already done this before me. So I found that there was all these tutorials and all these different things, and there was these people that have already completed the journey and could light the path for me. I spent the next 5+ years starting and growing multiple online companies and doing multi-millions of dollars in online sales. And ultimately, I realized I want to help other people do the same thing. Every Tuesday, I release a tactical video that will specifically help you start an online business. Click subscribe and that bell notification so you can learn how to create a product, a business, and ultimately freedom in your own life.